agent and Telegram WhatsApp voice agent. Yeah, it's an Telegram chat, WhatsApp chat agent. It's an Telegram voice agent. Let's say this agents. So we want to test these agents. To check these agents, click execute workflow and open Telegram. Here, give the voice. Research about Pahalgam attack and post a tweet on X and send me email to ck528824@gmail.com. Yeah, we can say, see the execution of workflow. Let's test the agent. It works. The Telegram agent is done everything. It can research on specific topic. It can manage and it can do rag agent. It can know the weather information. It can do all the things. When we give the voice in Telegram app, it analyzes the audio and it's things with Gemini AI model and its research and it will do all the specific works on its brain. Hey guys, now test the WhatsApp agent. Hey guys, let's test the WhatsApp agent. It's a chat agent. Yeah, it's triggering. Hey guys, test the WhatsApp agent. Click execute workflow. Say whether in gradual. Yeah, wait, it's doing. Yeah, it's we have got an error. Hey guys, let's check this agent. When we type the message, it we see the message and send the output to the agent. Now let's test the agent. Click execute workflow. Go to WhatsApp and type hi. Let's process this. Yeah, it's working. The agent is working and send it had sent the message. See, it had sent the message. It can able to post a tweet on X. It can manage email and calendar. It can do real-time research. It can append or update Google Sheets. It can do everything. It can manage Google Sheets. It can do everything. Let's see what can the AI agent can do. Instead, social media management in tweet in X, Google Drive. It can do Google Sheets, productivity and organization, information retrieval, data management, calculations. It can do everything. Yes, yeah.